Dripping once again.
One more again.
Here's the driveway. Just about ready to put a stain on it. And then a sealer. This is another one of the ways we seal up old cracks, crack repair. We've got vinyl patch down. And as you can see here, when we put a stain on it, what we're going to do is come back. We actually put a vinyl patch or a skim coat in the existing crack. Okay, put a skim coat down. That's real fine, basically like a water mixed with a little bit of the vinyl patch. We put that in to secure a bond, and then we put another patch over it that's actually quite a bit thicker. And then what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be coming around and we're actually going to be grinding this down flush to the concrete. And that's our little magic trick as far as getting rid of these the cracks totally. It's kind of nice, the homeowners like that. Getting ready for the stain. We're going to be etching the concrete here directly, and we're going to be grinding these cracks down flush.